Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Telegram videos to your gallery. Let's begin. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Telegram app installed on your device, whether it's Android or iPhone. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Telegram. If you see an update button, tap it and wait for the update to complete. If it shows open, that means your app is already updated. Next, open the Telegram app and go to the chat or channel where the video is located. Once you find the video, click on it to download. But remember, this only saves it to your Telegram storage, not directly to your gallery. To save it to your gallery, open the video in full screen. At the top right corner, tap on the three dots. A menu will appear. Select Save Video to Gallery. Now, wait a few seconds or minutes for the video to download depending on its size. Once the download is complete, it will be saved to your gallery. To check, go back to your home screen and open your Photos app. As you can see, the video has been successfully saved to my gallery. And that's it. Thanks for watching.